Beach pad alert. This adorable and meticulously maintained second floor and unit is located right across A1a to the beach, offering a bright and split/open floor plan. Solid oakwood cabinetry, new stainless steel appliances, breakfast bar and a pantry in the kitchen. Tile flooring throughout. No carpets. Laundry inside the unit. Hurricane impact windows and sliders with motorized/rolling shutters. Fully tiled and updated walk-in showers. The master boasts his/her closets. A private balcony to enjoy outdoor space and the salty breeze. A detached one-car garage and plenty of open parking. Amenities include a heated pool, great clubhouse and tennis court. Walking distance to beach, shopping and restaurants. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity.